Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll teach you how to make this really cool text retro effect. So let's jump right into it. Start off with the rectangle tool and we'll make a big rectangle to fill our entire artboard. We'll remove its stroke because we don't need that. And we're gonna choose our background color. I'm gonna go with little orangey color, and then press Command 2 on your keyboard to lock your background in place. This way you won't move it accidentally. Next, grab your line segment tool and drag it from one corner to the center of your artboard. It'll tell you, as you see, when you reach the center. I'm gonna add some stroke points, probably about something like 50. And then I'm gonna click on here and I'm gonna change the width profile to this triangle guy. I'm then going to go to expand appearance. Then click R on your keyboard to grab the rotate tool, or you can just click over here. While holding down the Alt or Option, click on the anchor point you want to give your shape. This will pop up and you can decide the angle you want your shape to rotate in. I'm gonna do 10 degrees and click copy. Press down Command D to duplicate whatever you just did. This is gonna repeat till you get till the end of your path. Next, you want to select all of your shapes. Command G to group them together. And now you can change their color to whatever you prefer. I'll just make a little darker than my background. Actually, let's go to a little orangier color. Right. Next, I'm going to press Command 2 to lock these in as well. Grab our type tool and write your text. You can then choose your font and resize it. Hold down the Alt or Option key, click and drag up to create another copy. We're gonna leave this here for now. Select your main copy and go to Effect, 3D, Extrude and Bevel. We're gonna select the side we want to extrude, so probably something like off axis, right or left. Anyways, whichever one you prefer. You can also change it from directly this little cube guy. I'm gonna go with off-axis front, and I'm gonna increase the extrusion depth to something like probably 150, and I'll press OK. You can then expand, place this guy in front, change its color, go to Effect, 3D, Rotate. And remember what the settings you placed earlier. So I'm gonna go with off-axis front for this as well, and press OK. This way I can align them perfectly. And that's it. It's pretty easy. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. Also comment what you'd like to see next. Follow me on Instagram, on TikTok, where I post shorter versions of these same tutorials. Be sure to check my website out, where I have some prints available and these really cool hats and some other clothing items. I'll see you tomorrow.